Let's create a cake in the shape of an Air Force One Nike shoes. First, we're going to stack up the bits of cake together and putting icing in between and all around it, giving it volume and dimension. We're using a spatula to make it super smooth. And we're going to add white sugar paste on top of it. Cut out the bit and make sure it's really well put. We carved all the detail of the sole of the shoe at the bottom. Tie it around and add all the different parts of the shoe. We're doing little dots for the shoelaces and the front of the shoe as well, which is a typical trademark from those shoes. We're using a dotted tool for this. Adding the back piece of the shoe. And of course, we're going to cut out our Nike sign into some red sugar paste. Adding white in the middle as well. And we're going to write Nike on top of it. Add the Air sign as well. We're going to use a tool and add little dents to give that leather impression. We're definitely trying to make it as realistic as possible. Adding more details. The back of the shoe in red with the label. Adding all the details as well at the bottom, the line and the Air sign. Adding our Nike logos on the sides. Gonna adjust the hole of the shoes to make sure they're big enough. And now we can add our laces, again made out of sugar paste. Cross them over, as you would do with your shoes. And make the laces hang on the side. We're then going to dent the sugar paste where the lace is meant to go into the holes to give that really realistic look. And here's the result.